Prayer. Behold at thy feet, O Mary, my hope, a poor sinner who many times, through his own fault, has been the slave of hell. I know that I have often been conquered by the devil, because I have neglected to recur to thee, O my refuge. If I had always sought thy protection, if I had invoked thee, I should never have fallen. I hope, O my Lady, most worthy of love, that by thy help I have escaped the powers of hell, and that God has pardoned me. But I tremble for the future, lest I again fall into their power. I know that these enemies of mine have not lost all hope of reconquering me, and at this moment they are preparing new assaults and temptations. O my Queen and Refuge, aid me. Shelter me beneath thy mantle, let me not become again their slave. I know that thou wilt succor me and give me victory whenever I invoke thee. I fear only that in my temptations I may forget thee and neglect to call upon thee. This, then, is the grace, O most holy Virgin, that I seek and wish from thee, that I may always remember thee, and especially when I find myself in conflict with the enemy. Let me not then fail to invoke thee often with the words, O Mary, help me, O Mary. And when at length the day of my last conflict with hell, the day of my death arrives, O my Queen, powerfully assist me then, and remind me thyself to invoke thee more frequently, with the voice or with the heart, that expiring with thy most sweet name, and that of thy Son Jesus on my lips, I may go to bless and praise thee, and never leave thy feet in paradise through all eternity. Amen.